This so we can hear them all. Attack of the birds, man. Where are they coming from? Whoa, let it go. They're so loud. Are those blackbirds? They're just over our house. Listen, look at them all over there. They're way out there on that tree.
Wow.
You can see they look like a bunch of black dots. I bet if I came out here and shot my pistol, them jokers would fly. That is freaky. Look at them all, man. They were just all over our house a minute ago. In these trees in our house. There's thousands of them. You came outside, it sounded like a freaking... what are those bird houses called, honey? I don't know. That sounds like a bird reserve. They're gone now.